Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use CapCut PC Pro, that crack and stuff like that. And what you can actually do is you can select your video and add in the pro effects, and you're just going to make it a full screen and you're just going to screen record that. I know it's not the best quality, but you know, like, what can you do when you don't have this? But that's pretty much it really. You can also invite friends as well, so you get trials. You can invite up to, I think, 10 friends, so you'll have 70 days of VIP, or I think it was either 70 or 10, I'm not quite sure, but I think it was 70, and I think it's quite worth it. And just try it out yourself. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.